How to mine cryptocurrency. Since the beginning of the cryptocurrency trend in the financial market, people are always on the lookout to find ways to make more and more through it. Mining is possibly the most likely way to profit from cryptos once you've figured out how to do it. Is it easy to do mining? What is the best way to mine cryptos? Hello everyone, welcome back to CryptoTrends. Today, we are to answer all your questions regarding how to mine cryptocurrency and what is the best method to do it. Stay to the end of the video to know it all. Before we start though, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's dive right into the video. What is crypto mining? Before we get into the specifics of how we might mine cryptocurrency, it's important to first grasp what it is. Crypto mining is frequently misunderstood as merely a means of creating a new currency. However, after cryptocurrency transactions have been authenticated on a blockchain network, cryptocurrency mining also entails adding them to a distributed ledger. Most crucially, crypto mining prevents digital currency from being spent twice on a decentralized network. Crypto mining is the process of obtaining cryptocurrency through the use of high-powered computers to solve cryptographic equations. It's a formula with a number of unique qualities that make it ideal for encryption. Verifying data blocks and adding transaction records to a public record or ledger, a blockchain safeguarded by complex encryption mechanisms is part of the solution process. Cryptocurrencies are distributed in a decentralized manner. Cryptographic algorithms are used to ensure that transactions are verified. As a result, there is no central authority or centralized ledger. Solving complex mathematical riddles that assist in authenticating virtual currency transactions and then updating them on the decentralized blockchain ledger is required to add new currencies to the ledger. In return for their efforts, the miners are reimbursed in cryptocurrency. Miners are thus encouraged to protect the network by participating in transaction validation. It increases their chances of winning newly created Bitcoin. To ensure that only confirmed crypto miners can mine and validate transactions, a proof of work, a POW, consensus system has been established. The system also defends the network from external threats. Proof of work, POW. Mining cryptocurrencies is akin to mining precious metals. Similar to how precious metal miners find gold, silver, or diamonds, crypto miners will start the release of new coins into circulation. Miners must deploy devices that solve complicated mathematical equations in the form of cryptographic hashes in order to be paid with new currency. A hash is a truncated digital signature for a data block. Hashes are a type of encryption that is used to encrypt data transferred over a public network. Miners compete with their peers to find a hash value generated by a crypto coin transaction, and the first miner to break the code receives the reward and adds the block to the ledger. Each block uses a hash function to refer to the one before it, forming an unbroken chain of blocks that all go back to the beginning. As a result, network peers may simply verify if certain blocks are valid and whether the miners that confirmed each block solved the hash correctly to collect the reward. As miners use more powerful equipment to solve consensus protocol, i.e. the POW, the network's equations become more difficult to solve. At the same time, competition among miners intensifies, increasing the cryptocurrency's scarcity. How to start mining crypto? If you're thinking about starting your mining career, you'll need a powerful computer. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin can be mined with a simple CPU chip. It was the trend and could be done on a home computer in the early days of the technology. CPU processors, on the other hand, have been unsuitable for mining the majority of cryptocurrencies as the difficulty levels have climbed over time. To increase profitability, it is smart to open a wallet for popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and join a mining pool. These pools are collectives of miners who pool their resources in order to increase their mining power. The earnings made from mining is subsequently dispersed equitably among the pool's participants. As a result, mining pools enable individuals to collaborate more efficiently. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin are among the cryptocurrencies acquired by the algorithm. Furthermore, it ensures that no single authority gets so powerful that it takes control of the situation. The mining process is necessary for adding new transaction blocks to the blockchain. Only when a miner surfaces with a fresh, winning proof of work is a new block added to the blockchain system. In the network, it happens every 10 minutes. Proof of work is designed to keep users from printing coins that haven't earned. Different ways to mine crypto. You can mine cryptocurrency in a few different ways. Cloud mining. If you're seeking ways to mine cryptocurrencies without lifting a finger, cloud mining is perhaps the most popular option. Cloud mining is a procedure in which you pay someone a set amount of money to rent out their mining machine, referred to as a rig, as well as the mining process itself. This rent is for a set length of time, during which time all of the profits generated by the rig are paid out to your cryptocurrency wallet. The persons, businesses who provide these cloud mining services usually have large mining facilities at their disposal, with several farms, and are well versed in Bitcoin mining. Cloud mining has gained in popularity since it allows users who don't have the money or don't want to purchase their own rigs to participate in the realm of blockchain. CPU mining. CPU mining is the practice of mining coins using processors. It used to be a realistic alternative, but nowadays fewer and fewer individuals pick this method of mining cryptocurrencies on a daily basis. There are a few plausible cases for this. To begin with, CPU mining is very sluggish. You could go months without recognizing even the tiniest amount of profit. Even though it is not profitable, many continue to employ CPU mining. It's because it's something that anyone with a desktop computer could do. To mine with the CPU approach, all you need is a computer and a few apps. It is feasible to accomplish it on a laptop, but it is highly discouraged. The crypto mining process attracts new CPU miners every day because it is so simple to get started. Some people who are seeking ways to mine cryptocurrencies aren't concerned with the specifics. They simply want to get started as soon as possible. GPU mining. GPU mining is undoubtedly the most well-known and widely used type of cryptocurrency mining. When looking for information on how to mine cryptocurrency, it is always at the top of the list. GPU rigs, for example, are used by cloud miners to provide their services. GPU mining is quite popular because it is both efficient and very cheap, and these folks sometimes have hundreds, if not thousands, of rigs. Don't get us wrong, the GPU mining setup is expensive to build, but it outperforms the CPU mining machine in terms of hash speed and the general workforce. To mine Bitcoins, GPU rigs use graphics cards, a processor, motherboard, cooling, rig frame, and of course a few graphics cards make up a basic rig. A common pricing range for a well-performing and well-built GPU mining rig is at the $3,000 level. It's a significant investment, but it'll pay off far more quickly than, say, a CPU miner. Check these out if you're looking for ways to mine cryptocurrency. ASIC mining. ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits, are special devices that are built specifically to do a single task, such as crypto mining in this case. When compared to its competitors, GPU and CPU, ASICs are well known and prized for producing massive sums of cryptocurrency. They are, however, costly, and as the difficulty of mining increases, they will quickly become outdated. Since ASICs are so strong, they prevent other miners that employ GPU or CPU rigs from keeping up in terms of hash rates and revenue. Furthermore, ASICs have tainted the ecosystem of various cryptocurrencies. Picture what would happen if the majority of earnings went to one miner with an ASIC farm. Is it worthwhile to mine cryptocurrency? There are several factors that go into assessing if crypto mining is lucrative. Whether a prospective mine chooses a CPU, GPU, ASIC miner, or cloud mining, the hash rate, electric power consumption, and overall cost of a mining rig are the most important factors to consider. So if you want to begin your journey in crypto mining, Do make sure to learn everything you can about it, as this channel is not providing any financial advice here. With this, we have reached the end of the video. Hit the like button and do let us know about our thoughts on crypto mining by leaving a comment down below. We'll soon be back with another video that will give you more details about the world of cryptocurrency.